Temu, how to completely delete app data on PC. Deleting the Temu app data on your PC frees up space and can help resolve issues or errors with the app. And here's how to get that done. So say for example you are using PC, you can go ahead and click orders and accounts in here, and you should be able to see here the account security. I want you to go ahead and click that one. Now take note that in order for you to delete app data from your Temu PC, you have to delete your account. That's the only way in order for you to get this done. For phone, it's a different story, and there is a tutorial for that as well in this channel, so go ahead and check that out. So again, from here I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and I'm going to click delete your Temu account. And once we are here, you're going to scroll down even further, and there is an option that says I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Go ahead and click that one and then click continue. So from here, go ahead and choose the reason why you want to do so. I'm going to go ahead and cite safety or privacy concerns, and then I'm going to click continue. Now in order for you to proceed, you have to verify your identity, so go ahead and try to use the following options in here. And yeah, essentially that is how it works, everybody. Once again, if you want to unlock $100 coupon code, just go ahead and click the link in the description box and the comment section, or you can use the referral code to enjoy a special discount of 30%. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.